the track. Linda's doing laps around me.
That's the thing. You got to be careful in those intersections, those crossovers.
Miss Judy, come here.
You gotta see how the old lady moves.
Oh, Judy. What? You want to tear? Woo!
One at a time, evidently.
There's a little white thing that has to go in the.
There you go.
There you go.
Oops, see, I got to that point. You have to be back.
You have to jump that section. Whoa!
No, now come on. I was doing really good.
We could hear him in the other room. I know. Whipping along. Put his thumb,
You gotta master these, ladies.
Oh, come on, Linda. You were doing so good. Like a wheelchair.
It is a wheelchair.
They're granny.
Just go slow.
I gotta go a little bit
Get used
faster
to
than
it.
that.
Right around the intersection, because the intersection loses it.
I'm spinning my wheels.
Hey, Judy, come see. I just went on the track again.
Not going in there.
You gotta take it slow for a while, girls.
I got it. Oh, see? Let's go down.
You don't have to go nuts yet. You gotta get a grip first.
I got a grip.
They got a grip! Polly!
I got it. My juice, my man. Come on. Slow down. Oh.
Right up Nancy's